All right, guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you're welcome back to weekly um, market analysis and setup review. Okay, just as our culture, we're going to start with dollar index. Right, so this is dollar index, and we've actually made uh, some predictions on this space since last month, and we actually saw some kind of movement that played out on this pair. Right, most of the time I always make use of dollar index, right, to predict what might likely happen, right, to dollar pair. So this is what I will be expecting this coming week. Now I can see my reversal pattern in play here, right? I can see my reversal pattern. I call this 3E structure. So I'm expecting market to come back, right, to this rejection zone and actually come back up. Now you can see I've already marked out on this particular gray box. That is where I am expecting market to really reverse from, right? And this is actually based on my calculations and how I actually mark my chart to predict the exact point that market might likely reject from. And that is not just take away the fact that there might likely be some liquidity grab here, right, before it goes up. So that's actually the two stuff. I mean, two views I'm having on this pair, right? I'm expecting um, this particular zone that I've marked here to be respected. Then also I am expecting, if this is not respected, this particular low should be taken out. Then market should reverse from there, and my target will be this. Might going to be my first target, my second target, then my third target. Now, as provided this market actually go as predicted. But if this is not actually, if this did not work out as planned, then I would have to change my direction on Tuesday or Wednesday, as the case may be. So this is what I'm expecting. I'll be expecting a bullish um, dollar, right? And this will also be expected to play out in all other um, dollar pairs, right? Very quickly, we talk about Euro USD. Now on Euro USD, what am I looking at? Now, if you're looking at this higher time frame, also on a daily time frame, I can also spot my 3-8 rejection pattern here, and which actually suggests to me that this market will um, should go down. And if you can see this clearly, I have already marked where I am expecting this market to reject from. This is a rejection zone. As you can see, this gray box, I actually took this gray box from this line, I mean from this block here. So I actually refined it to this particular zone, and that is where I will be expecting this market to really retrace from. So I will be expecting something like this and come down, and there might actually be another reason why this market might be taken out, probably because of this old high. They might be taken out, liquidity might be taken out before it's reversed. But really, I'll be expecting this to be respected. The market should go down, and basically that is what we've really analyzed for dollar pair. I mean dollar index. So let's see. We might also have some opportunities to buy this pair up, and this will take us to see the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, there is no really a good zone for us to sell this pair. We don't really have a good zone. Or anyway, let's see 1 hour. Now on the 1 hour time frame, what we might likely expect, this is actually not a good setup. And I can't really see any good stuff here too. But probably market might have to retrace back into this zone, right? Market might have to retrace back into the zone then before it can get to where we've actually predicted, or market might just be going down. I mean, be going up to hit that particular rejection zone that we've marked before we see the reversal. But anyway, my major view on this space is just to sell it. But if market comes to this zone, then I will be looking for opportunity to to buy it up to this particular zone. But if possible, there might be another probability whereby market might actually consolidate, right? Monday, Tuesday, then probably on Wednesday hit this zone, then we'll see this reversal. So we're going to see the power of three: accumulation, then manipulation, then distribute. So basically, that is what I will be looking at for this 1 hour. Then I will be expecting that to really happen for me to take that trade. All right. So the next pair I am going to look at now is gold. On gold, right? Gold, we might likely see a selling opportunity here, right? Right, and this looks like accumulation, manipulation. So we might likely see some kind of distribution that might makes price to come to this zone to be retested, or at another view of that is this um, uh, fair value gap that might be retested. So basically, that is what I will be looking at. Market should do something like this. They distribute to this zone or this zone, then drop it. And the reason why I really want to sell on this H4, basically, if I see my pattern to buy this pair, I will be buying it because of the manipulation. I mean, the distribution I am actually expecting on this. Then reason why I really want to sell this pair is because I'm expecting it to get to this zone that I have marked. Now, this is gotten from daily time frame. I mean, from weekly time frame. I will be expecting this zone to be responded to. Probably market come to this zone, then um, go up. Or so on my lower time frame, I will have to be expecting it to react to this zone. So I want this market to go up a bit. Probably when the market open, let me view that on 4-hour time frame. This is good. I will be expecting some kind of um, accumulation when the market open, then manipulate to the upside. I've already marked this as accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. But for the beginning of the week, might actually see some kind of manipulation. I mean, uh, uh, accumulation, the manipulation, then to drop down, and that would be this pair coming back to this daily zone that I have already marked here. Then that's really what I will be looking at. So the next pair I'm going to talk about is on gold. I mean, it's GBP USD. As you can see, just the same pattern that we've marked on DXY and on Euro USD, the same thing we're actually having here. Then this rejection zone is where I am expecting this market to get rejection from. And come to think of it, right? If you check 4-hour time frame, you can see an equal high here that I have already marked, right? So I'll be expecting this market to come back to take out that liquidity. This is accumulation, then manipulation to the downside, probably take out this low. Then we might see some distribution to um, to this zone, right? So that's is to say on the 1-hour time frame. Let's see if we can get any zone to buy this pair from. I can't really see any clear zone anyway, but I can't really see any clear zone. Or rather, really, that's what I'll be looking out for on this pair. Probably market might really respond to this zone, but I think that is quite too far for me, right? If possible, market can respond to this zone. This looks like a good zone to me, right? Come back to this zone just for us to take out this high, and there might actually be a reason why markets will get rejected at this block. But this is not a good block based on my own rules, so I might not be marking that uh, to take a trade. But if this pair will actually be nice, that I will be seeing some kind of manipulation on this zone, then come back to take out this equal high, then get rejected at this high. But ultimately, what I will be looking out for is um, it getting rejection. I mean, getting rejected there. This should be a block that we might likely look at. Then going to lower time frame. Let's see. Going to lower time frame, right? This might be a good zone. Then market should take out last week low. This is the last week low, right? Get rejection here, then go up, rejection here again, then come back again. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Now, market will come back at the beginning of the week, get rejection here, right? And they'll actually find the support there, then go up again, take out this liquidity, right? And actually get the resistance there. Then I'm expecting it to drop on the daily time frame. But on the 4-hour time frame, this should be a good buy, right? A good buying zone for us, right? Based on what we have seen, accumulation is accumulating for the beginning of the week, then manipulation to take out last week low, then get rejection at this RZ, right? The rejection zone, then before it will get to that particular zone. But quickly, let's look at 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, right? Just like what we've marked earlier, it's just what we can see here. So we're expecting the market to come to that zone, right? Take out this liquidity, then we can actually be fine with that. All right. So we'll look at USDCHF. USDCHF. This is 4-hour time frame, right, on USDCHF. Right, this is 4-hour time frame. Um, so let's see what are we expecting. We'll check daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, just like the same pattern that we've seen, but this one is now 4-8 structure, 2, 3, then 4. All right, this is the fourth one. Then we can see the high rejection zone that this actually painted. Now this is not a good rejection zone for me. Why? Because it doesn't break any market structure. But anyway, we can still bend our rules and actually try to improvise stuff and look at this zone as where this market might likely get rejection from. Then to get a precise zone that this might reject from, I might have to go to more lower time frame and look for that. Um, me, this particular zone, I'll just mark that zone. I will most this that zone, right? So that is where I will be expecting this pair to come back to on a 4-hour time frame, all right, to come back to this zone before they move up. Now there might be some a reason why. Let me just mark this low, most especially that particular low. But why this pair might have to reject at this fair value gap, as you can see. So I'm going to mark that 2 zone where we might likely see the rejection on this pair. Right, to this particular zone. So the first one here, the second one here. Let me go to just lower time frame and see, get a precise zone. Um, just want to get a precise zone where I will be expecting my rejection to take place. Um, right. So on the 4-hour time frame, I will be expecting this to be my rejection zone. On the 15 minutes time frame, I mean on this same hour time frame, I will be expecting this to happen. Let me just quickly take some. So my students should actually understand why this is a good stuff for us. All right, right. Now on the 1-hour time frame, let's just quickly look at 1-hour time frame. All right. So this is not a perfect one. All right, I will be expecting markets to give us some kind of accumulation here, as it's painting that accumulation. Then let me go to 4-hour time frame again. Right, accumulation. Market should really accumulate around that box that I've marked, around this box, then come back here to take out last week low, right? Red rejection here, then we can see it going higher, right? Really, that's what I will be expecting to hold on this pair, right? We'll look at CADJPY. On CADJPY, I'll start from the daily time frame. The daily time frame, we see it break structure, then market came back to retest this rejection zone, right? What are we expecting now? We go to 4-hour time frame. Just look at 4-hour time frame. Where is the best possible zone that this pair might likely reject from? But this actually did not give us a good rejection zone, but I still believe that this pair might still have to come down more, probably take out this low before it will continue to go higher, because it's not really retracing well. But anyway, if market come back in a compressed manner, then we might have to look at that zone, right? This particular zone to be our rejection zone, because it breaks this high, right? So it might have to come back to retest this zone, then continue to go higher. Now our target will be this high on CADJPY, right? So let me quickly check 1-hour time frame if I can get something good on that zone, right? Something good is here, right? I will mark this zone as a good zone to buy this pair from, this particular rejection zone. If possible, that I have already talked about might actually upon price come back to this zone, then that will really go up. Then there's a probability that this particular zone might also hold price, because on the lower time frame there's kind of a good OB in there. There is a strong order block and actually break structure. So market trusting it to come back, take out this liquidity, right? Then might have something like this, take out this liquidity, then go up and get to that target that I have already talked about. Now the next pair will be on EURJPY. EURJPY. Looking at the daily time frame, also very very similar stuff. Then this we can expect it to actually be exposed, right? This zone can likely get exposed. So we'll be looking for a good opportunity for us to buy it. Now, for me to sell this pair, I will be looking towards this area, right? To really sell this pair down, because I can also see my reversal pattern being painted here, right? Can you see that? So I will be expecting this to be taken out, then market should go down. Now, but before then, I will be looking for opportunity to buy this pair, and that opportunity I will sort for it on the lower time frame. All right, on the lower time frame. All right, and that would be, this is not giving me any good zone. Or let's see 1 hour, if 1 hour will be so good for us. Right, on the 1 hour time frame also, this is not, I'm not getting any good zone here. Anyway, I'm not getting any good zone here, really. I will just wait until, okay, guys, another reason why this pair might likely go down probably for this week is actually this, right? That will be expecting it to go down right before it will continue its journey, right? From this, then the rejection zone of that, let me try to mark that out. You can see the 3E structure. Then probably, if that will work out based on my rules, right? If that will not be broken, then let's see M30 to get a precise zone. Right, go back to 1 hour now. So I'll be expecting a kind of a drop here. Then this equal low is not equal low. This is actually the equal low here. Should be taken out. The market can actually be exposed to this. Then before it will come, right, to take out this high that we're expecting it to take, then market will continue to go higher. But in real sense, market might just be exposed to this radio track that is here, and we have to refine this to the lower time frame. Can't find any good zone there. So I will go back to the 4 hour time frame, right? I mean 1 hour time frame. Now in the 1 hour time frame, I want this particular low to be taken. Then market should come back, right, to take out this low, then continue to go higher, then go to that target that I have spoken of. Then the next pair we're going to look at is NASDAQ, right? On NASDAQ on the daily time frame, what can we see, right? We can see this monthly. Now this is accumulation. Market is really accumulating here. Then we can see it take out this eye, and the second eye can also be taken out. So we'll just look for opportunity to buy this pair. We'll look for opportunity to buy it on 4 hour, no good structure. On 1 hour, right, on 1 hour time frame, this market, if possible, that is going to retrace. Then the first zone to buy this pair would be this area, and the second zone to buy it would be this area. Now, so that is what I will be looking out for on NASDAQ. Then on US30, just the same thing. We go to the daily, and this daily actually gave us equal here, and market took out that liquidity. So it's possible that this pair will just drop. Let's see what will happen. Probably to just drop, get this particular zone, and continue its bullish structure. All right, so basically that's what I will be expecting, but the drop is actually much more eminence on this, right? For it to drop, probably get rejection here before it will continue to go higher. Now, guys, thank you for listening. Now, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, then follow us on Instagram, then also join our Telegram channel, all right, where you will see my analysis, right? My flashcard with my past trade and what my students are also doing now. Once in a while, I always upload the result of my students there. And really, all those results will really blow your mind, really. And this is just to also announce to you that our mentorship class is still open at the rate of $550. You can join our group and learn how to analyze the market in a great way. But really, you really enjoy yourself, and for you on the way to become a professional trader, should really be with us, because you will see the market in much more clarity, and you can easily predict where the market will go to as you ought to do. Now we have intraday trading, we have We have intra-week trading, then we have intra-month. Whatever trader you really want to become, we will train you. So don't forget to follow us on Instagram, join us on Telegram, then also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Right? If you have any question, you can message me on my um, uh, Telegram account, which is online trader, right? Online trader 16, right? You can message me in a personal Telegram page, so I'll be able to reply you if you have any question concerning what we do. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining in. I will see you in the next review. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and have a good trading week. God bless you.